Right guys, this is video 1 on prisms on 3D shapes. So prisms are special types of 3D shapes that make them different from random rocks or objects you pick up because they have a constant cross-section. And that means, for example, the shape on the right that you see here, the area, that cross-sectional area stays the same throughout the whole shape if you cut along that axis. So the same thing applies to all of the prisms you can see on your screen here. So in this case, you can see it's not a hexagon, it's an octagonal prism. This is a cube. That is a special type of prism where you have a circle as your cross-section. You obviously know it's a cylinder. This is also a cube. That's just, there's no name for that shape there, but it's still a prism. And then you have a cuboid where the cross-section is a rectangle. And now a cube, by the way, is just a special case of a cuboid. Just in case you were wondering that. And then you know the cuboid, and in this case it's hexagon and a hexagon. So we can say the volume of a prism is given by area of cross-section times length. You probably already know that. And then something that's not a prism, for example, is a cone that you can see on the screen here. And that's because if you were to cut that cone across that way and then down there, the cross-section, although it would be a shape, it would be a similar shape, circle, it's not a congruent shape. The cross-section is not consistent, so that's not prism. And we'll get to cones later on today. Now, can you try both questions here? I've given you a hint for question 1. You should be able to do both within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to go through the answers. For question 1, you should have got 120. Now, just if in case you were stuck, hopefully you weren't stuck with this one, but if you need to find that length, you use Pythagoras and then you work out all the sides, add them up. And in the surface area, you're going to add up these sides as such, and you get 252 centimeters squared. And then for the second question, you do need to work out the missing lengths here and here by taking 5 away from 11 and then taking 4 away from 7. And then ultimately you get your answer, which is 1180 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's prisms. Now there's a harder prism question here, which I want you to try. Pause the video, have a go. I will show you the answer on the next video. Do not watch the next video until you have tried this.